Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Read. So guys, now I am in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, now I'm place them call name Langwood Estate in a St. Elizabeth. Guys, big up on yourself anyone now watch from yard or abroad. May I give you an update from Langwood Estate in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, guys. So Langwood St. Elizabeth is about 5 minutes drive to Santa Cruz town, guys. And look at the beauty in this area, guys. Look at the beauty of the house. The houses. Very, very nice area, guys. Tell me what you think about this. So I'm gonna make a left turn, guys. Yeah man, so no Jamaica with Fire Read. So leave your comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this area, guys. So I'm gonna make the left turn, guys. So if you do make the right turn, it'll take you back right on the main. So if you're looking for land or houses in this area, guys, you know exactly how this area set up. If you hear someone piece of land or sell or property in this area, you know exactly how this area set up, guys. So I'm just giving you an update. Yeah, I was requested to do this video and I take the time out to do it, guys. This area looks so peaceful, quiet. Can you imagine if you own a piece of property around here and the property around here is supposed to be very expensive, like $6.5 million, guys. So I'm going on, try to figure out where the location will be. But keep on watching, guys. Don't see any sign in this area, guys. But if you're watching this video and you have any information about this area, guys, just leave it in the comment section. Make the people them know what I go on. You can see the road condition. Is it Santa Cruz beautiful, guys? So guys, you can tell me what you think about this area. I know a lot of people never know such a beautiful place in a Santa Cruz. I tell you now, St. Elizabeth is very nice. Just look at this channel as a positive, in a positive way. Like up the video, man. Like up the video free of cost. Like up the video, man, free of cost. Like up the video free of cost. So guys, I'm gonna take it onto Beadles Boulevard. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Raid.